Welcome to my YouTube channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today I'm going to show you how to put a universal extension on a 9-section Xero Micro. All of our universal extensions work with any 9-section pull. So this is a Xero Micro, so this will take a universal modular scopic section to take this pull to either 40 or 50 feet. I do suggest that being the limit for the Xero Micro, as far as not going any higher than 50 feet with it. As far as this version, we do have the ultralight that goes to 60 as well in the Micro. So with a universal extension, one thing I'm not going to probably do here, well, actually I probably can do it, is you want your pole extended all the way. If you're on a building, you want it just to be extended. And remember, we're just going to these little strips right here. All right, so your pole's fully up. Okay. So it's just like that. I do suggest that running the hose externally from the pole is going to be a lot easier than running the hose internally when adding sections. If you need to do it, you just need to disconnect your hose from whatever valve you have and then put it through. But this is an easier way to do it. Here is the high mod universal extension. I don't believe this 3K wrap is available anymore, but this is a high mod extension. Then we have the basic one as well, which usually most people have. Let me talk a little bit more about this real quickly. So this is a 2-section modular scopic section, which is the extension. If you take it out, it looks like that. Okay. So basically what you want to do when you first put it on is at least bring it out to right about there, right? And what you're going to do with this side, so lift up your pole, or is against, pretty much against the building, and you're going to slide it on like so, and you can remove a little bit of it like that, and then you are good to go as far as the extension. Now once you get to there, to make that extension longer, what you're going to do is on release this clamp, pull down here to the red, and now you have a 40-foot pole in the Micro. All right, so that is how you add your universal extension. And of course, taking it off would just be similar steps. It's going to stop right there and go here and take it off like so. But that is how you add the modular scopic universal section to your Xero Micro. Have a good day. Bye-bye.